the main request that we get at SmartRed for any integration that we do is for single sign-on. So what is single sign-on, first of all? I'm not going to go into the technicalities of it here, that is not my role, but to explain the outcome that it has. So if you've ever checked out at a website and you have the option to check out as a guest or create an account, sometimes you'll see another option which will be using, for example, a Facebook or a Google account to be able to check out instead. And if you've ever taken advantage of that one click, you'll see that it redirects you to, let's say, Facebook. You usually just have to tick allow access and it redirects you back to the website where it's already created you an account. That is one form of single sign-on. So single sign-on is the ability to use the same user credentials, your username and password, to gain access to any application. So why do organisations request, and let's be fair, sometimes mandate this? So first of all, it is from a user experience perspective, it is quick. It's a couple of clicks and buttons. It's probably a username and password that you are used to using. And once you're logged in once, the token retains, and therefore you don't necessarily need to keep re-logging in. It follows the same password policy that you'll be used to within work. And so it's quick, it's easy, it's simple for users. For the organisation as a whole, it also ensures that it complies with any IT security policies that they will put in place. So it means that the application is secure, your access to it is secure. And what it also does for some organisations who will keep a directory and who potentially have a lot of people that join, that leave, or potentially move around the organisation, either by getting promotions or changing roles or physically changing the location that they work. We can connect in with the directory that sits behind the system to know that this person should be in this place ordering this uniform without manual intervention of updating users on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So it's quick, it's easy, it's secure, and that's why a lot of organisations do request single sign-on. From our perspective, how does it work? Usually we'll have a very quick call with the IT department that's relevant here. We'll understand how we'll authenticate. We'll do a bit of testing to make sure the connection is established, it's working, and then we'll push that to live. It can be done in a matter of days if the IT department are quite competent in being able to do so, and the connection then exists ongoing. So if this is something that either your IT department internally have requested or your customer's IT department have requested or mandated, feel free to drop a note in the comments if you want to know more, or you can get in contact with us through our website.